a change of plan. Kendall's not speaking. I am.
Okay, good.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Mark Ravenhead, and welcome to the Wreck Me Ball.
Hey! Hey! The butter's too cold! The butter is too cold! The butter's all fucked! Now you're fuck watching, you're fucked. There's dinner rolls ripping out there as we speak!
Connor!
I am a laughing stock!
There are always issues when you serve this many people, but I think, on the whole, it's going very well.
Complacent! You're fired! You're all fired! Idiots! Fucking believe it! Surrounded by imbeciles!
Hey, come with me. Come with me.